Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Is Apple Pay not working on your iPhone? Let me guide you through a few simple solutions to get it working again. First step is to check your internet connection. Apple Pay needs an active connection to process payments. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. The next step is to verify your card information. Head over to the Settings app and locate the Wallet and Apple Pay. Wallet for some phones. Next, you tap on your card and make sure the details are correct. Next step is to restart your phone. Hold down the power button and slide to power off. Turn it back on and try the Apple Pay again. Another step is to check your Face ID or Touch ID. Make sure your Face ID or Touch ID is set up correctly. Go to the Settings app, then you go to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to access the page and ensure your Face ID is set up correctly. The next step is to update your iOS. Go to the Settings app, then you go to General, then Software Update, and install any updates available. The next step is to remove and re-add your card. Go to Wallet, then tap the card, then you remove the card. The next thing to do is to add it by tapping Add Card and following the setup process. You can also check with your bank. Contact your bank to ensure your card is active and supports Apple Pay. The next step is to test another payment terminal. The issue might be with the terminal, not your iPhone. An optional step is to reset network settings. Go to Settings, then you go to General. Click on Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi and try again. And there you have it, guys. Your Apple Pay should be working again. If this helped, like this video and subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.